Oh yeah. That's looking very shiny shiny. What a bit of kit. So this one's just had a Japspeed manifold fitted. So this has just had a Japspeed manifold, and now we're gonna map it. So we're gonna use Ecutek software and see what we can make. Right, so main mapping complete. So final task now today on this one is the switchable maps. So enabling launch control, valet mode, auto blip, flat foot shifting, etc. All can be controlled with the steering wheel of the car, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, let's get that uploaded and then check all the features are working. And this one's good to go. So we've now got 4 switchable maps. Map mode 1 is just, it's mapped, so that's all the mapping done. Mode 2, so map 2, is the map that's all done plus all the features like auto blip, launch control, flat foot shifting. Mode 3, or map 3, is a valet mode, so that it's got a rev limiter, so you can't drive the car at any point over 3,500. So if you've got to take it to a garage for some MOT work or anything like that, you can enable that. And then finally map 4, mode 4, is immobilised. So if you're parking your car somewhere and you definitely don't want it getting nicked, then you set it to mode 4, and it will not start. So it's a very trick. It's all done with fuel pumps and things like that. So yeah, that one's done. So let's go to the graph and see what power we made. So there we have it. Some large gains in the mid-range as expected. Making power over standard. 211 brake, 179 wheel horsepower. Up over the 168 wheel horsepower that it came in with. Just over 10 foot-pound of torque more. You definitely love that. Fantastic.